Look at this beast. This is the AKSUM Max V-Hull armored personal carrier, and it's not just your average armored vehicle, it's military grade. So let's check it out. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, we don't do a lot of crazy armored vehicles, so this vehicle's got a lot of things we don't normally see. I mean, the front just looks absolutely insane. You can see it's completely reinforced, and of course it's bulletproof, including the glass, and it's got loads of protection everywhere. Now, if you go out a bit, you can see that the front is actually almost in the shape of a V with quite hectic angles, and this is why it's called the V-Hull. The hull is the bottom, and it's in the shape of the V because it protects all the passengers from any explosions, any IEDs, any mines, and sends it all outside. And it can withstand up to 6 kgs of TNT. Now, obviously the lights are just crazy. We've got our searchlights, our strobe lights on the top as well. And something I've never seen is that we get remotes with the lights, which means when you're out there searching, you can move your lights from right to left, left to right, and even up and down. And of course, in case any other vehicles need to be saved, we've got our heavy duty winch right over here. Okay, so we've got it lit up like a Christmas tree to show you guys how crazy the lights are, but it's pretty loud. So I think I'm gonna turn it off. It's also heavy. Check it out. Oh. I'm gonna see if I can do this. We've got our auxes, we turn all the lights off, and then I think we just start up. Oh, I can hear myself think. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the inside later when I take it for a drive. But for now, have a look at the side of this. It is massive, 6.4 meters long and over 3 meters high with the turret. But check this out, these tires are actually run flat, which means if all the tires go flat, this car can still drive for 45 kilometers at 40 kilometers per hour. And just look at the size of these external hinges. They're just massive. Thank goodness we have a step to try and get in. These are our ports, which I'll show you a bit when we get inside. And of course, we've got this on the outside, which isn't just for decoration. You can actually attach things to them, like extra fuel or any extra things that you want to carry. When I open this, we've got a little bit of storage. And if you do want to change your tire, this is our spare wheel. But it is so crazy because you unlock this, and then we've got a winch system that goes all the way along here, that you actually lift it up and bring it down so that you can change the tire. That's how crazy big and heavy this tire is. Now, let's get inside. Number one, thank goodness they have steps. Otherwise, I don't know how I would get in. We push this, pull it open, and you're ready. Oh, these doors are heavy. And on the inside, we've got 2 deadbolts. This is our first one. Let's see how strong I am. Okay, our first one, and then our second one right over here that comes out over here. Let's get inside. Oh. Now, in order for me to open this door, I need to lift up our deadlocks, our deadbolts. There we go. And it's open. So those little round things that I showed you, let me show you what they're for. Push down, turn it around, and check it out. They're little portholes, and they're literally all around this vehicle. And if you want to close them up, closed up. Okay, check it out. We've got 10 seats for our passengers, and all of the seats fold down. And then we got our 4-point harnesses, which means that when you're on your mission, you're all strapped in to a 4-point harness. Not going anywhere, nice and safe. But if you do want to see the outside world from inside, we've got our 2 hatches. Pull this. Opens up, and our hatch opens up so that you can be part of the outside world and do whatever you need to do out here. Okay, let's check this guy out. Okay, pull this and let's open it up. Oh, and we're inside. Okay, check it out. Full protection. We've got our bulletproof glass all the way. And you can see through all the bulletproof glass. But if this is not the direction you want to be facing, let me show you what you do. Pull this out and it can do a 360. Let's see if my gym is paying off. There we go. And then if you want to get it back to the same position, all we do is we take this out, put it back, and then we're going to wait for a sound. You ready? There it is, locked into place. So we've got 2 doors on either side. And of course, they're dead bolted completely. And we've got a little porthole that allows you to see out. Okay, let me show you the front, because at the back we've got 10 seats, but at the front we've got our passenger and our driver's seat. Oh my goodness, why is everything so heavy? And then we can close. And what I didn't mention is that we also have our strobe lights and our searchlights at the back as well, and cameras going around the entire car for a 360-degree view. So let's go check it out. This is how you get in. Push this down, opens up, and then we climb in. As you can see on our door, we've got our 2 deadbolts, one up here and one down here. And now the crazy thing is, I said that we've got bulletproof glass, but look how thick it is. 5.5 centimeters thick bulletproof glass. And then we still have all of that protection over it. So this is how you turn it on. We've got our kill switches. And then start, stop. Our camera comes on. And what's cool is it's got a DVR system, which means it can record everything. You just plug in a USB right over here. And we've got our 4 cameras for 360-degree view. Down here, we've got all of our lights. And then this is really cool because it's your different horn sounds. And we've got our intercom. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to Supercar Blondie. So before we take this beast for a drive, the AKSUM Group actually produce lots of different vehicles. This one is specialized for the military with the 360-degree turret, but this one is for police force and law enforcement, and they even do personal vehicles. So for example, if you're a VVIP person and you need to make sure that you're fully protected, this car has run flat tires, upgraded suspension, upgraded rims as well, and that is to hold the weight of this car because there's an extra over 1 ton of weight due to the bulletproof body and the bulletproof glass. Just look how thick this is. This is absolutely insane. Look on the side. Look at that. Look at that thickness. That is absolutely crazy. And we're going to use this vehicle to shoot that vehicle. So let's go drive. Woo! Am I okay to drive? Are we good? Okay. Underneath me, AKSUM have built a heavy-duty chassis with 4-wheel drive and upgraded suspension designed to carry some serious weight. Driving it, you get a real sense of control and confidence behind the wheel. I'm the king of the world. Okay, so we're driving this beast and it feels like I'm driving a beast. It's a 6.7-liter V8 that makes 330 horsepower. That might not seem like a lot, but this is a heavy beast. Oh, did I hit something? No? Not yet. I literally feel like I could conquer anything in this vehicle. Cue sunglasses and gangster music. You see it. It's not as heavy as you would think it is driving. Actually a lot smoother than I thought. Can't see Nate. I hope I don't hit him. Okay, I'm gonna jump out. Need to put it to park. And that's the review on the AKSUM APC. Guys, if you can see yourself driving one of these crazy cars or adding them to your fleet, make sure to check them out. Also, I want to know what you think, so leave a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.